Hello, everyone. Welcome to this Business English podcast, where we help you improve your English while learning useful business skills. Today, we're going to talk about LinkedIn, a website that helps you connect with professionals and find jobs. We'll explain how to get started on LinkedIn in 4 easy steps. Let's dive into it. Step 1: create a LinkedIn account. First, you need to create an account on LinkedIn. It's very simple. Just go to the LinkedIn website or download the app on your phone. You will need to enter your email, create a password, and fill in some basic information like your name and job title. Once you've done that, you'll have your very own LinkedIn profile. Step 2: complete your profile. Now that you have an account, it's time to complete your profile. Your LinkedIn profile is like your online resume. It shows who you are, what you've done, and what you're good at. Start by adding a professional photo of yourself. Then, write a short summary about your experience and skills. Don't forget to add your work history, education, and any special skills you have. Step 3: connect with people. LinkedIn is all about connections. To build your network, start by adding people you know, like your friends, coworkers, or classmates. You can also connect with people you want to work with in the future. Just click the connect button on their profile. The more connections you have, the more opportunities you'll find. Step 3: engage and participate. Finally, be active on LinkedIn. Like, comment, and share posts that interest you. You can also join groups related to your field or follow companies you like. By participating in conversations, you'll make your profile more visible and people will start to notice you. By following these 4 simple steps, creating an account, completing your profile, connecting with people, and engaging, you'll be well on your way to building a strong professional network. Thanks for listening. Stay tuned for more Business English podcasts.